We'll take up root words from the alphabet C. Cad, cas and sid. The meaning of these root words is fall or happen. So the words that contain this root word contain the meaning of any one of these words. The first word is cascade. Cascade. It contains both the words. A cascade is a waterfall, something that falls from up to down. To fall, to flow in abundance. The second one is cadence. A cadence is a rhythmic flow or a sequence of sound. When music is played, there is a rise and fall, up and down. Therefore, we have the usage of the root cad here. Decadence means falling into an inferior state, a deterioration, decay, or a moral degeneration. A cadaver is a dead or a deceased body. A corpse is a synonym of a cadaver. Something especially used in legal or medical terms for dissection, etc. is a cadaver. Cadaverous simply means like a dead body, not dead, simply like it. So a person who is very, very thin or pale looking, grey you can say, white you can say in complexion, thin, bony, deathly, pale, pallid, ashen, corpse-like, death-like, ghostly, skeletal, emaciated. All these words then are synonymous. There are some more that I have: scrawny, scraggy, haggard, gaunt, anorexic, a bag of bones, an entire word group. The word accident contains the root word sid. It means an undesirable or unfortunate happening. It happens unintentionally and usually results in harm. An incidence is an occurrence of falling upon, an affecting, or a befalling. Something that happens is an incidence, incident, incidental, are also words, similar meaning words, which are derived from this word. The word carn is the next root word. It means flesh. Carnal. Carnal means physical needs or activities, pleasures derived due to bodily senses, referring even to sexual desires. Incarnate is a deity or spirit embodied in a human form. Just like we have God, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu was Rama. Reincarnate is a process of rebirth, to undergo rebirth in another body. The word carnation refers to a type of a flower which has a lot of fleshy leaves and petals. Carnage is mass killing or killing off a large number of people. So many that all that one can see all around is a heap of dead bodies. So when you can see dead bodies all around, it is carnage. The word carnivorous refers to meat-eating or flesh-eating animals who feed on other animals. So raptorial and predatory are synonyms of the word carnivorous. A person or even an animal who eats meat is referred to as a carnivore. Carnassial are the teeth like that of a carnivore. So teeth of a carnivore adapted for tearing or shearing flesh is the meaning of the word carnassial. The root word chron means time. The word anachronism contains a prefix and this root and a suffix. Let's look at this word, break it up into different parts. The first one is a prefix an, which means no or not or without. Chron means time, and ism is a suffix which gives it a noun form. So anachronism means that it is not in keeping with the time correctly. There is an error in keeping the date or erroneous time. For example, the Mughal Emperor Akbar using mobile phones. It's an example of anachronism because mobile phones were not invented at that time. Synchronise means sync, S-Y-N-C, sync with time. So harmonize, to be in harmony. Chronology is when dates are maintained in a sequential manner. Sequence dating or chronological way of keeping dates means one after the other according to the time when the thing happened. Chronicle. A chronicle is a written account which is maintained according to the time. A chronobarometer is a barometer which is connected with clockwork, indicates time. Chronomancy is a divination to determine the right time for action, something which guides you or tells you, now the time has come and you must act now. A chronometer is an instrument to keep time, keep as in maintain time. The word synchronous means something that happens at the same time. Asynchronous. We have studied the prefix a, which adds the meaning of no or not to a word. So something which is not synchronous, which means something which occurs at different times or does not follow the sequence of time. The next one is Chrono Thermal. Contains two root words again, chrono, time, therm means heat. So chrono thermal refers to something which is relating to time as well as heat. The root word size